Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Mazda CX-5. Begin by lightly sketching the basic proportions of the vehicle. Focus on establishing the overall length, width, and height. Think of it as building a simple box or block that represents the car's main body. This initial step is crucial for ensuring your drawing has accurate dimensions and a solid foundation before adding finer details. Next, we'll refine the body lines, bringing out the Mazda CX-5 unique character. Carefully draw the prominent grille and the sleek, narrow headlights. Pay attention to the curves and angles of the side panels and the distinct window outlines. Don't forget to add the door lines and the side mirrors, ensuring they are proportionate to the rest of the vehicle. These details start to make your drawing recognizable. Now, let's focus on the wheels and some interior elements. Begin by drawing perfect circles for the wheels, then add the tire treads for a realistic look. Move on to detailing the rims, whether they have spokes or a solid design. If you wish, you can lightly sketch the dashboard and seats visible through the windows, adding another layer of depth to your drawing. These elements truly ground the car. Finally, it's time for shading and the finishing touches. Use various pencil pressures to apply shading, creating shadows and highlights that give your Mazda CX-5 depth and a three-dimensional appearance. Add subtle reflections to the windows and body panels to mimic light interaction. Once satisfied, carefully erase any remaining construction lines to present a clean, polished drawing. Congratulations, you've drawn a Mazda CX-5.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.